Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up right now. This one has over 100,000 subscribers, started just last year, and is already making this much per month with only 16 videos. And this one is pulling in this much every single month with just 20 videos, all without showing their face. It seems like faceless YouTube automation is a goldmine, doesn't it? Well, it could be. But here's the problem. Most people fail or give up. Why? Because YouTube automation isn't as easy as it sounds. It's actually a lot of work, from finding the right niche, finding viral video ideas, writing scripts, editing, finding the right keywords, creating thumbnails, and optimizing for SEO. Every step takes a lot of time, effort, and skill. But here's the solution. This AI tool eliminates the hardest parts of running a YouTube channel and automates the entire process for you. If you're serious about making money with YouTube, this is the easiest way to do it. Here's what blew me away about this tool. Let's say you want to create a channel or videos like What If. Let's take this channel link and paste it into the video idea section and click generate. And just like that, it gave us a viral worthy video idea along with the video title that sounds like it's from the channel. You can generate it as many times as you can and create a list of content for your channel. And now we can click on generate script and it will automatically generate the script. What's cool about this is that you can choose the type of script you want, from general script, shorts, how-tos, script outline to list videos. Let's try general script, then select the word count and click on generate. It generated a full video script along with the intro that sounds like one of the original channel's videos. Now here's another way to generate a script. You can use the video to new script feature. If you have a video content you like and want to create a different script based on it, you can take the URL of the video, paste it in here, and it will generate an original script based on this video content. Let's click on generate, and it just generated a brand new script with a different spin. How amazing is this? If you have an article you want to make into a script, you can also transform it into a script using article to script feature. Once you have the script, make sure to read through it and put your personal touches to it. And if you want to see where all your previous generations are stored, you can click on logs and you will be able to go back to everything you previously generated. If you want a different title, you can easily generate other options as well. Crafting compelling titles and descriptions is crucial for attracting viewers, yet it can be a time-consuming task, but see how easily it can be done here. Go to video title and you can enter the URL or the content of the video. Let's paste in the video idea we just generated and click generate. And just like that, it generated 3 title options for us. You can also use this with any unlisted videos you have uploaded on YouTube by clicking the URL button. With the script and the title we generated, we can now generate video description and tags. I'm sure you know the importance of utilizing the video description section effectively and using keyword-rich descriptions for SEO when uploading the video. Apart from the title, video description is the next important section where you can optimize your video for YouTube to find the right audience for you and for the viewers to find your video easily. Go to the video description section, paste the URL of the video, or type in the content of the video, and you will get your perfectly SEO optimized description. It's actually better to use this feature after you have created and uploaded your video onto YouTube as unlisted to get a more accurate description of your video. And here's a bonus. You can actually generate the timestamp as well with this feature instead of doing it manually. And you can do the same for tags by going to the tags section. Now, if you want to do this all at once, you can do it with the warp upload feature. This is a game changer for optimizing your YouTube videos in just seconds. Just type in the title and a short description of your video, or paste the URL of your unlisted video and click generate. Tube Magic will analyze the content and generate optimized metadata to boost your video's performance. You now have 3 attention-grabbing title options that's optimized for search. You will also see the fully optimized description and tags for your content. The best part is that this entire process took seconds, saving you hours of research and optimization work. Now that we have this done, can you guess what we are missing? That's right, the thumbnail. You can actually create AI-generated thumbnails with Tube Magic. Go back to Tools, click on Try Now and name the project. With the Magic mode, you can generate 3 AI-powered backgrounds and text instantly by just using your video link or your YouTube content description. If you want more control or have something specific in mind, you can click on Background and describe the image or upload a reference image you want it to be like. Then you can add the text by selecting the font and adjust the size, color, opacity, and more. And finally, you can put a prompt for the image, pick your aspect ratio, and generate. One of the key features they have is the advanced keyword research tool, which can help you identify trending topics and relevant keywords that can enhance your video visibility. Enter a keyword or phrase related to your YouTube content. Once you've generated a list of keywords, take the time to analyze their competition and search volume. This analysis is crucial for effective audience targeting, so you need to make sure you choose keywords that not only attract viewers, but also have a manageable level of competition. Another awesome feature they have is the Community Posts feature. YouTube community posts enhance audience engagement, increase visibility, and foster a stronger community by enabling creators to share content, updates, and interact directly with their subscribers. You can enter a YouTube channel's handle or channel's link, toggle between a poll or a non-poll community post, and then click on Generate. It will give you a list of posts you can directly use in your post section to boost engagement. If you are just starting out and trying to figure out your niche, you can use their Niche Explorer section. When you click on this tab, you can see a list of different niches with various RPMs. This is just an approximate number, because RPM will be different for every channel, but it's a good reference to have. It is important to get into a niche with higher RPMs, but it is more important to pick one that you have interest in, and that's evergreen. As you have seen, TubeMagic can streamline your content creation process from generating ideas to optimizing your uploads. This tool is designed to help you grow your channel faster and more efficiently than ever before. Remember, success on YouTube isn't just about great content. It's about smart optimization too, and TubeMagic gives you both. Let's face it, YouTube growth is tough, but it doesn't have to be a grind. This video is sponsored by TubeMagic, the AI-powered tool designed to give you an edge. Developed by Matt Parr, a YouTube automation expert who runs over 12 channels, it's built for creators who want to grow smarter, not harder. They currently have a 7-day trial for $1, so check it out now by clicking the link in the description.